What's up, traders? Good morning, everybody. Jumped in EARS on the break of $1. Average price is 111 on this. I was buying in at I bought 1,000 shares like right here. Bought 1,000 shares on the way up. Bought 1,000 shares on the way up. Then I sold 2,000 shares. I sold 1,000 at 110, and I sold 1,000 at somewhere around here, I believe. So now I'm holding on to 1,000 shares. So far, you can see I locked in $230. Got $1,000, 1,000 shares left. Because it's still holding the trend above VWAP. We'll see if it keeps going. I might add or I might lock in profits. Let's see, you guys. I've been trying to scale in and scale out, practicing that. So far, it worked today. I'm looking for the breakout right now above 120, 125. So when you guys take profits along the way, you become more comfortable and you could hold it for a little bit longer. So right now, you can see the hard drop right here. You see that hard drop? So thank God I locked in some type of profits. We're gonna move our stop loss up a little bit. Let's see what happens. Probably gonna sell 500 right here just in case this thing drops. Just give it a second. Volume still looks down. I'm gonna sell 500 right here. You know what? I forgot to put the auto send thing. Let's see. I just wanted to step up. I'm gonna sell. Look at that hard drop, you guys. Look at that. That hard drop. Kind of want to bounce right here, locked in. That's why we take profits along the way, you guys. Our trend just broke. I'm gonna sell 500 shares just to be safe, you guys. Only got 500 shares left just in case this thing does bounce. Because that dip was on kind of low volume. But just in case this thing comes down and tests VWAP, I'll be adding on again right here at VWAP if it holds. Pay attention to the volume, you guys. See the buying volume right here, still stronger than the selling pressure. I want to play the chart, so I want to be smart, you guys. Always lock in profits along the way. Take that money, put that shit in the bank. You know what I'm saying? Little by little. That kind of helps with your emotions and stuff. So even though, like, look, I'm down on my last 500 shares, $12. I still made, I locked in 160 or 150, whatever, on the other shares. Just off this little trend, you guys. This thing cracks me up, I'll sell the rest, and I'm out. Here's got a low float, that's why it could bounce, could get squeezed if it holds VWAP or if it holds $1. So the last 500 shares I could play with. This thing has a possibility of squeezing. So we're gonna give this thing a few minutes. I'm just gonna let you guys watch the price action, you guys, watch the times and sales, and chill out, watch this shit. Look at it, it's testing VWAP. Let's see if buyers come in. Buyers don't come in, we're out, you guys. We got a good buyer at 105. Gotta turn my heat on, it's cold in here. We're gonna give this a couple seconds to test VWAP. VWAP is this purple line, you guys. A lot of traders use that for support and resistance. Shorters cover right here. Sometimes if they see buyers come in, so this could be a little pop. If it has no follow through, I will be selling the rest of my positions, you guys. I gotta go turn on the heat. 1 second, give me 1 minute. If it holds VWAP, you guys, I might add again. We got a little wall right here. I'm gonna add it right here, you guys. Just held my VWAP. The wall's gone. I'm gonna buy 500. There we go. Let's see if this pops again. Back to 1,000 shares. This thing gotta crack that 9 EMA right here. Right now it's indecisive. You guys can see the little algos. They don't know which way to go. My new risk is VWAP, you guys. Trying to see this little trend come in, hold, but I want to see these bidders step up and get this guy out of here. These 112s out of here. Gotta get these guys out of here. We could have a pop to 115, 118 again, and I'll kill the rest. I'll get the hell out, lock in the rest of the profits. Hopefully, let's see. It could do anything. I could be wrong, but let's see, you guys. Could pop right here. Ears is dangerous. It goes up and down, crazy. Got a low float. Get squeezed easily. A lot of shorts in this. Hopefully, we can short these guys. We can squeeze these guys out of here. Here we go. Pop to 115, you guys. Let's see if we could break down 115. Nobody stepped up at 115. Times and sales still indecisive right now. I'm not seeing any follow through, but these sellers, these guys are low. Not a lot of people taking profits. You don't see a huge dump going on. So, kind of a good sign. Still above VWAP. VWAP's my risk area, you guys. Test VWAP again. It holds. I'll add a little bit more. If it cracks, I'm gone. Got 1,000 shares left. Let's have this thing ready at 1,000 just in case. Average price right now is what, 110. This thing's not doing what I want, so I might get the hell out. Give it a couple minutes. Need that pop, you guys. So far, 110 holding. We got good bidders at 110. Decent wall at 110. The only thing, we got a huge seller at 112. Got to get that guy out of here. He just got out. He disappeared for a second. Let's see if he pops back up or not. Still, we got good bidders at 110. I don't see bidders at 109. So if this cracks 110, it might go to 108. Need that pop. I don't see this thing getting squeezed too much. But still holding my little trend. Cracked the first trend. I got another trend right here. So right here I got the trend line and VWAP. That's my risk area, you guys, right here. This thing goes under this. We gone. Getting the hell out of this thing. Only got 1,000 shares left, you guys. Originally had like 3,000. Let's see. 31% up on the day. We want to see these guys get squeezed, man. Daily chart looking ugly right now. First green day, you guys. First green day. That's what originally made me look at this stock. Broke $1 and it was the first green day. The only thing up, it has to get above this little, see this little flag pattern I got here? Got to get above that. Right now, having a hard time with volume. You gotta let this thing play around for a minute. Let's see if 110 holds. You guys got a huge buyer at 110. You guys, look at this guy, 89,000 shares. Spending $90,000 position, you guys, right here. This guy wants to buy. So that's a good sign so far. 110, key level, you guys. 107, another key level. So far, good sign. The times and sales looking ugly right now. Volume's looking okay. We'll see. We're going to give this a little time. Got a couple trends going on. Just check out a 5-minute chart. Not too nice right now. 110 again. 9 EMA in the way. Need guys to step up. 111 on the ask. Big bidder, huge bidders at 110. Huge bidders. Hopefully that'll scare some shorts. Get some covering going on. They're not scared yet, but let's see. This chopping right now. Chopping around. Going sideways. A little flag pattern right here, but not that strong. So we're going to give it a little time. I got some good bidders at 110, you guys. Good bidders at 110. Got these guys at 111. This ass guy at 134,000 shares. We outnumber him right here, you guys. That's what you guys want to see if you're going long. You want to see more buyers on the bid size than on the ask size. So we do got a little wall at 110, 111, but we got huge buyers at 110. Hopefully they stay in there. So they should get these guys out of here. Let's see who comes down and finally decides to sell. Let's see if this guy decides to sell to this guy. If this thing goes down, that's why we want to see these in the green. When it's in the green, that means it's in demand. That means it took place off the ask. The buyers came in off the ask and smack the ask. Like if I smack the ask right now, you're gonna see my thing going green. So that means people are smacking the ask. They could be covering, they could be buying. We don't know. All we know is that they're smacking the ask. So let's check it out. Check this shit out, you guys. Look at how volume's holding. Not a lot of sellers. People are holding their shares. A lot of conviction. A lot of people think this thing's gonna pop. Let's see. But if it doesn't pop, guess what happens? It's gonna happen to all those sellers. They're gonna dump. So we're gonna get the hell out. We're gonna be smart for it. If it pops again, we could get right back in this. So see that 110 holding, you guys? Look at how many candles we got on 110 holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes. It didn't crack over 110. I mean under 110. Right here, this level. And if you see cracks right here, this is the next level right here. So we got some decent support under here. So let's see. How's the 3-minute looking? Still looking okay. Still looking okay. Looking like it's flagging on a 3-minute. Still playing around with the P&L. One ten, still huge buyers. These guys still fighting, you guys. Volume slowing down. People on the sideline just watching. 5-minute candle. Ugly. 3-minute candle. okay, not bad, but still weak on the volume. We need some buyers to come in. We need some customers to come in. This thing popped a few days ago. For a few days, it was on a good uptrend. Downtrend for another 1, 2, 3, 4 days. First green day, so far up 29%. Need some guys to step up. Looks like we still got the buyers chilling in here. A lot of buyers still chilling in here waiting. Nobody's dumping yet like that. VWAP holding, 110 holding, just uptick to 111. Let's see if anybody takes out the 111 guys. 110, back to 110. Testing 110, tug of war. Sometimes it takes a little bit, you guys. As long as we locked in most of our profits, it's alright. So it says right here, I guess I bought ears at 109, then 109. This doesn't show all of it, I don't know. 6 filled orders, 8 total fills. Where is it? I don't know. I don't ever use this crap. Let's see. Damn, we're down $6 on the 1,000 shares that's left. My average price is 110.08, so it's right at my average price basically. Holding. Still holding. One 111 resistance, just cracked it. Let's see if it cracks the 112. Got the 111 guys out of here. Now we want to see 111 go on this side. Bam. Oh, it came and it disappeared. Bam, it's back. 111. That's a good. That's a sign of an uptick, you guys. So what am I gonna do on this one? I'm gonna add another 1,000 shares. We just added another 1,000 shares, hopefully for the quick pop in 2018. So far, I'm 2,000 positions, 2,000 shares in again. I might just get the hell out this trade. This is really my first time scaling in and out like this. I just wanted to see. So far, it's decent. I needed to crack the 114, you guys. Got some sellers at 114. Big sellers at 115. Gonna take 1,000 shares. Gonna take some profit. Gonna take 1,000 shares. If we can't crack the 115. If I see these guys crack, I'm gonna hold on to it. Oops, I forgot that my thing's touchscreen. So big wall at 115. Huge wall. Let's see if we get volume to step up. Step it up. Come on, you guys. I want everybody to come see this shit and then jump in here. We got a lot of guys watching this thing, you guys. You gotta know there's a lot of scanners. You guys can't see my scanners. It's on the other screen, but a lot of guys see this shit on their scanners right now. I'm gonna sell at 1,000 shares if we can't crack the 115. I don't see these guys. I don't see these guys getting chipped away. So I'm gonna sell 1,000 shares right here, you guys. If we can't crack the 115, I'll be selling the rest, and I'm out of here. Maybe with a couple $100. Still holding our trend, you guys. So far, it's above the EMA, so I'm gonna be patient with the rest of the 1,000 shares. Gotta crack. Gotta see volume step up. Daily chart has to break this resistance line. Has to break 115. 115 is a critical, a big resistance, you guys. This is where it was support, then became resistance, and now is resistance again. So it has to crack 115 really, so we could get a decent pop. See these guys at 115? Look at these short sellers. They know that's resistance. They're coming in to short this bitch at 115. So let's hopefully, if they're successful, if they're right, it's gonna go down. If there's more than shorts right here cracking, but if we get some buyers right here to push them out of here, maybe they start covering all the way up. See how hard it is, you guys, to crack that 115? Big resistance right here. Look at these sellers right here. You take up level 2 for a second so you guys can see it better. Look at this shit. 30,000 shares, 60,000 shares, 17,000 shares. Not too bad. Not too bad. Look at this guy's getting chipped away. Good sign so far. 200, 206. Let's see 100. Let's see 150. Let's see this guy get out of here. Let's see 115 go on this side, on the bidder side. I want to see a good uptick. So far, not looking good on the chart. Pushing it up again. Pushing it up. 215, 205. Got to get chipped away. We want to see volume go over 250 on the next candle. On the next couple candles. Over 250,000. Look at that, you guys. It's trying. It's trying. Look at these guys. A lot of guys taking profits. A lot of guys. Right now, this is the part right here. We don't know what's going to happen right now. Could crack, could go back down. We got resistance right here and resistance right here. But if this thing makes a new high, you're going to see a lot of volume come in. And I'll probably be adding right there if this thing makes a new high. That's why when they say you got to be a little more patient with your winners and less patient with losers, you guys. Only the reason I'm being patient because this thing's kind of a winner. Trying to see what happens with the rest of these shares. Decent to try. 115 again, you guys. Look at this guy still here. So we don't got no buyers coming in to take this guy out. So here we go. Somebody bought 300 shares off him. 800 shares. Back to 115. Still got 114 on the bid. 115 still acting as resistance. Still in my little uptrend. Going sideways now this way. The only reason I'm holding on this, you guys, is because you could see if this thing cracks, this resistance right here, we have room, you guys. We got a little room to like 125, 130. So there's a little room in this thing if volume comes in. Without volume, ain't shit gonna happen. If volume comes in, we got room. I try not to look at the P&L, you guys. I just want to know how much position. It's fucked up if you play the money. Just try to play the charts. Don't even think about the money. We just got that pop. We just got through 115. Come on, I need some of these short sellers to. You can see a quick fake out right here. This is what you call a fake out so far. A little guys covering. A few guys covering right here at 115. Indecisive candle. Doji looking good so far. Above VWAP still. Trying to get it above this 90 EMA. 116 on this side, 115 on this side. Quick uptick from the market makers. Let's see if these guys hold it back up. 16. Higher low, higher low. Now we want to see 116, 117 get taken out. 3-minute chart looking good. 117, you guys just got through that. She just got through the 116 resistance at 117. Let's go, $245. That's why I don't like looking at this, you guys, but get sued. Here we go. We're gonna face new resistance right here. Let's see what happens at new resistance. This is resistance right here, you guys. Couldn't break it today. If we get a new high, let me show you guys. Do a quick, let's do a 3 video on this side. See this high right here? Couldn't break that. Couldn't break that today. If we could break this right now, we could have a decent squeeze right here. I'm gonna make this a different color or make it thicker so we can know that that's hard resistance. So you can remember that that's the fucking resistance. That's like a hard wall, you guys. We need a lot of people to break that wall. Bam. Let's go. Let's see if we get through this wall right here. Another wall, you guys. We got through this little wall. We got through this little wall. And this is a little thicker wall. Volume okay so far. Still got a lot of people got eyes on this. Bam. 118. Huge sellers at the wall. Huge sellers using that wall as their selling spot. These short guys. These shorts, they know what they're doing, you guys. You gotta be careful. Playing against the smartest people in the world, so gotta be sharp as a razor. You gotta be prepared, you guys. Don't bring a knife to a gunfight. Have everything ready. Have everything ready in the morning. Look at these guys right here. 118 uptick. 119 uptick. Gotta get through that 120, you guys. 120, we're gonna see a lot of volume start coming in. 120, you're gonna see buyers step up, short start covering. This thing got room to 130. 140. Might add at the pop. I might add into the pop if it pops. Might add 1,000 shares onto the pop if it pops. Don't want to be in that fake out though. Don't want to be in a fake out. So I want to see follow through. I want to see big bidders on level 2. I want to see times and sales mostly in the green with big size. Testing 119. Want to see that pop. Want to see 119 go to this side. As soon as I see this guy start getting taken out, I might add right here. Wow, we're gonna add another 1,000 shares, you guys. See all these guys adding right here? How many we have so far? Another 2,000 shares. We are up $319, you guys. We are out this thing. Locking in all the profits, $302 on the day. I hope you guys learned a little out the video. Good luck trading, everybody. See you guys on the next one.